This is a fluorescent light bulb in my laundry, and as you can see, it's about to go out. And these are replacement light bulbs that you can buy at your local hardware store, or I'll have links in the description below. And in this video, I'll show you how to replace it. It's always a good idea to turn off your circuit breaker before starting your project. So first, you're gonna have to take this cover off by gently pulling this with both hands on one side first, and then you kind of push it out like this. It's also a great opportunity to clean this, as you will find some bugs and dust and it will all be dirty. So good opportunity to clean this before installing it back on. Looking at one end, you'll see this gap, and that's where you want to take it out of. I have to twist it towards me in a counterclocks direction. It's a little painful until it comes out like this, and then you basically pull it out. Here's what it looks like when you take it off. As you can see, you can basically guiding through that path. It's a good idea to measure your old light so that you know you bought the right replacement. So mine came out to be about 48 inches, and the diameter is about 1.5 inches. Then take your new one, line it up, and line these two pins. They go in there. Make sure they go on both sides, and then turn it in the opposite direction that you had them before. About halfway, like that. And leave it installed like this. Just hook it on one side, make sure it's hooked, and bring it over to this side, and hook it like that. That's it, right? I think so, yep. Turn the power back on, and test the light. And that's it. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my next video how I redid my bathroom lights.